वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ इंडिया के टॉप एमएनसीज की आईटी हायरिंग्स के बारे में। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले बात करने वाला हूँ सुपरसेट, जो कि विप्रो लेके आई है पीडब्ल्यूडी वर्क इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग प्रोग्राम YLP। ओके, सो 2024, 5 and 2026 batch is eligible for this role. Okay, in Wipro Limited. India location will be there. If you are interested for this role, click on the apply now button and apply for this opportunity. Okay, now moving forward with Java developer freshers hiring in the CDAX. CDAX is the government affiliated department. You can learn a lot of things over there. Basic eligibility is there. BE BTech compulsory, CDAC graduate mandatory, minimum 70% in the CDAC. Okay, all the given eligibility you can read it out, and job location will be the ROE. Okay, if you are interested for this role, you can share your resume on this given email ID. Okay, now moving forward with engineer, don't miss this. This is the Indian Army SSC Tech 68 notification is out. Okay, male and female both can apply for this opportunity. There are the 381 officer vacancy are there and 0 application fee is there, so you should apply for this opportunity. Okay, if you are interested for this role, you have to click here and the given PDF link. You can go to the Indian join Indian Army.in government website, and you can apply for this SSB exam. Okay, now moving forward with candidate form for the batch of 2026. Okay, they are hiring for the associate data engineer role. Okay, and again talking about the data associate data scientist, job location will be the pan India job location. Okay, talking about CTC will be the 5.2 LPA plus 12K accommodation will be provided to the candidate. Okay, coming to the job location will be the Pune, Maharashtra. You can read the whole job description is provided over here. Basic candidate profile should be recent BE BTech graduate should be there in from the computer science or IT department. Okay, there are the process of L1, L2, L3 and final interview and HR. There will the 5 round of interview you have to conduct. You have to present in all, and if you are qualified, then you will be proceed for the offer letter. Okay, now moving forward with IT career with the KGISL, which is hiring for the multiple opportunity for the batch of 2025 or 2026. Okay, talking about this job location buying will be the Coimbatore. Okay, you can click on this profile and put your basic details so that the HR can go through your profile and they can update to you accordingly. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video till now. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.